show you the acceleration rate of the car. Volvo has a great service agreement package.
Welcome to my channel. You can see a few new guys. This is Afiq. He used to work at Clear Marque. We are at Clear Marque in Jalan Kuching, but he moved on to AIA Insurance. So if you have anything regarding AIA, you can just contact him. He also has a YouTube channel. Maybe you can subscribe. Everything will be in the description. And I cannot say his name. That's my brother. Make sure you come to Clear Marque, and if you mention Louis Siah, maybe you'll get a better deal or something.
So this particular car that we are driving is the XC60 CBU unit. It's a very limited number only in Malaysia, only 22, and most of it has been sold out. To get your hands on the CBU is quite impossible now.
CBU sold out yesterday.
Oh, CBUs are sold out yesterday.
That's really quick.
This car, basically the demographic is better compared to the XC90. Mostly 40 and below, they do not have a big family, they don't want a 7-seater. So they opt for a 5-seater SUV, and this one plays a big part on them choosing an SUV because it has a good look, the driving is great.
So what's new in this particular Volvo compared to the other models? I think I heard the safety feature wise there's more stuff added to it, is it?
There is this extra one which is added, which is the collision avoidance assistance.
Yeah.
Basically, if there's a car which comes out of a junction, the car will automatically swerve it for you. So that's a good thing because sometimes you are not too alert on the road, and that swerving system will actually help you a lot.
Right. And you can actually switch off anything that you don't want.
Any safety features which are very visible on the screen, you can just switch it off.
Oh wait, I didn't mention that. Maybe you guys saw these two strips of light. Probably this is actually a launch unit.
It was a launch unit yesterday.
Yeah, it was a launch unit. So it doesn't come with the car. Don't worry.
It'll be taken off tomorrow.
Yeah.
Basically, what we can say that on the XC60, more of the features of the S90, of the XC90 is actually brought forwarded into the XC60. So you are buying a car with a fully loaded safety features.
So basically it's like a smaller version of an XC90.
Smaller version of XC90, correct.
Yeah.
And all the safety features are pumped into the car.
So maybe if you guys don't want like he said, you don't want a huge SUV, you can get this.
Yes. But if it's all 4 hours just nice,
yeah.
You can have a little kid in the middle there, will be just perfect.
How is the leg room for you guys?
Damn good. For me, damn good. Because I'm quite tiny, small.
Yeah, don't do it for 5%.
Yeah, how tall are you then?
166. 5 is a stretch. 4 is great. Another one my size then I think okay lah.
Another one my size that door will fall out. The person will fall out.
So let's talk about power.
Alright, so this one is the T8 Inscription Plus. And you have the 407 horsepower, same like the S90, same like the XC90.
Right.
That 407 horsepower pumped into a small SUV, which is good. And not to forget, even though it's a small SUV, you have an off-road selection here. So it does off-road also.
And I realized that it didn't let you choose that because you're at a high speed, is
Yes,
it right
because
now?
we're at a high speed. It's
Maximum speed is below 50. Actually, it's below 50.
Right. Okay.
and it has the all-wheel drive, so it's good.
Maybe some viewers would ask, I mean, all XC60s are hybrids.
We have the engine variant also, which comes with the T5.
The
T5.
Oh, this is the only...
This is the T, yeah.
T5, T8, Inscription and
Inscription Plus.
T5, T8, Inscription, Inscription Plus. Definitely a lot of people ask, like, what's an Inscription? Like, Inscription and Inscription Plus, what's that? People who are not familiar with Volvo.
So I will let my partner to explain to you the difference between the Inscription and the Inscription Plus.
Bowels and working sound system and also harman kardon. Yeah.
So it's just that.
That's it.
Normal one use harman kardon.
Yeah.
The blind spot monitoring system. The NVH is very good in this car. Ride comfort is perfect. You can slightly hear the engine noise.
Yes, because now we are in power mode.
Oh, it's in power mode.
Yeah, I put it in power, so you can hear the engine noise a bit.
And power mode is equivalent to sport mode for other cars. There's also head-up display, but it's obviously only the driver can see it.
It'll give you your front collision warning, it'll prompt you, your speed, your maps. Okay, the good thing about this map, this heads-up display map is that it doesn't constantly on. It's about 100 meters before coming to your intersection, then only the thing will on. So it's not, it will be focused more on the speed rather than the map. But coming towards close to the map, close to the intersection, then the maps will come out, which is good.
But actually, if you on the map, right, you can see the map on the center's screen,
Yes.
driver display, and also head-up display.
There's 3 places that will come out.
So if anybody touch the central display, so it won't distract you.
Oh.
Because it's not activated yet, we
Yeah.
can't see. But if it's on, it'll be here and also here.
How many inches is that? Full digital
Full
display
digital
then,
display.
yeah.
It's not that
12
big.
inches.
Yeah.
12 inches.
Same like XC90.
So how does the steering feel?
A steering feels very light.
Very light.
It's light.
Does-
It's light, but it's not to say that light. It's not easy to handle. It is very easy to handle.
When you change the driving mode, does it change the tightness of the steering and everything?
No, it does not feel. You know, when you go into sports mode or power mode,
Yeah.
it feels a bit harder. No, it feels the same.
It's the same.
So it feels the same.
Yeah.
It doesn't change anything. So
doesn't change.
basically, the power mode changes the throttle response.
Yes.
Power delivery lah.
Acceleration, yes.
I mean, this is air suspension.
air suspension.
So does it change it?
It only changes the height.
It lowers the car lah, basically.
It lowers the
Yeah.
car basically. It doesn't make it that hard.
Oh, okay.
It just lowers it a bit.
Yeah.
So the downforce is better on that.
And how does the brake feel?
Brake feels awesome. Because the response is very good. You see, when you're driving a fast car,
Yeah.
200 horsepower, 300, 400, 500, you need good braking system. I always say that. Some people will complain, why is the brake too sensitive? You're driving a 407 horsepower car. Do you want a brake which is not sensitive? Wouldn't you want something which is sensitive and it actually saves your life?
And since it's almost the same as the XC90, I would assume that the brake is a bit, I don't know how to describe it, maybe a bit spongy, but it's because of the regeneration thing, is it?
Let me just show you the acceleration rate in the car.
My god, how fast are you going right now? Oh, don't say.
But you felt that.
Yeah, definitely. 0 to 100 in 5 seconds.
5.3, yeah.
That's impressive. But power is definitely not an issue in Volvo.
No.
Like the XC90, even though it's big, the power is very good.
Even though you're using pure mode on XC90, you still got power.
Yeah.
Bit of a traffic here.
Yeah. Decent glove box.
And this is the new metal mesh display.
Right, what is that?
Okay, that is actually your 360 camera and also your 360 radar system. When you're in a traffic light,
Yeah.
bikes come too close, it actually sends up and say that, there's an object coming too close to you. Usually it's for motorcycles.
Yeah.
Sometimes they come cut through in the middle and everything.
This is something I realized also, the Swedish flag.
Fun fact, do you want to know why the Swedish flag is there?
I don't know why.
Because that's actually where they join the two pieces of metal.
Really? This is where they join the two pieces of metal?
It doesn't come with one whole piece, so that's where they join it. That's for the XC90, but I'm not sure if it's the same for 60.
Remember, if you guys want to test drive this car, come to Clear Marque, Jalan Kuching.
They're open every day.
Yeah.
So it's a big right?
Yeah.
7 days a week.
Yeah, I'm in love with this car. Small SUV. Seems that everybody wants to test drive the car now. Grab the car as fast as possible before it's sold.
Yeah, better be quick.
Yeah, or before there's a waiting list.
Basically,
Is
today
that-
is the last day to collect booking. One
Ah.
last batch.
Right.
There you go.
Yeah, you heard that. Today is the last day to collect booking.
Yeah. So if you place your booking today, you might get your car by March.
Wow.
Sorry.
Yeah, much.
Yes. Okay.
Volvo has changed so much.
Back at the showroom, we were saying that maybe a lot of people have this perception that Volvo is unreliable, they're expensive to maintain and stuff like that, but you should come down to Volvo and just talk to some people there and see what has changed over the years,
Talk to the sales consultant. Inquire them about servicing, because that's the main thing now. Everybody thinks about the service price and everything.
Yeah.
Talk to them about servicing. Volvo has a great service agreement package. You can put it inside your loan or what. You can either pay it cash or pay in the loan, right? Then you're covered for the 5 years. So come and hear first.
So you heard that?
Because the perception of Volvo has always been expensive. An expensive car to maintain, which is true before.
Yeah.
Now we have to keep up with the other brands and everything. So that's why Volvo has come up with a very good service package.
I guess you would say that you're on par with other
Yeah.
quality cars.
Yeah. Very quiet.
Yeah, very fine.
Yeah.
What is your YouTube name again?
Louis Siah.
Yeah, Louis Siah. Those of you who are watching who is not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed because I'll be posting more videos this year.
Yep.
There will be a Subaru media drive next few weeks. One of the days, I don't know whether I should talk about it, but it's coming and I'll be posting that video up soon. And I'll be featuring the CX-5 as well. One car that is highly requested on my channel, so make sure to check that out as well.
So we're coming to a road which has a lot of potholes.
Mm-hmm.
So you're gonna see that if the car's stable or not. Yep. There's not much body roll in the car.
Whoa, I really love the ride comfort. It went through those holes so well, you know. So it's air suspension on 4 wheels.
Or 4 wheels.
Yeah, on 4 wheels. Alright, that's good.
But will that change with the CJD?
But slightly. From what I heard, they're still using the double wishbone front and back. But the springs are going to be the spring lifts. It's not going to be that hard, it's not going to be that light. It's going to be as nice. Because we didn't have any problems with the S90 Inscription and the Inscription Plus.
Yeah.
Because the Inscription Plus came with the air suspension and the Inscription came with the normal ones. But it was still very comfortable to drive in.
But the S Plus comes with rear matic.
It's another pothole.
Yeah. A huge one.
Yep.
Very comfortable. So smooth, man. Even though I'm not driving it, I can feel it. There's no jerk in the throttle response and everything. Alright, yeah, like I said, it's a quick drive in this car. And yeah.
There you go, sensors will pop up.
So make sure to come down to Clear Marque.
Yep.
Clear Marque.
Clear Marque.
Yeah, Clear Marque, Jalan Kuching. And I'll put their address in the description as well. So this is Afiq, like I said. And yeah, thank you.